Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your withdrawal aren't working problem on PrizePicks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm going to be letting you know how you can do the withdrawal. So for that, you simply have to go to the PrizePicks and go to the withdrawing funds or withdrawal funds section and tap on request a withdrawal. This will lead you to the section where you can request a withdrawal by plenty of methods, because PrizePicks does support PayPal as well, mobile wallets as well as the instant transfers. Just have to wait for a while. If it's available in your location, it will simply show up, which will require you to simply sign in first. Now you can say to request withdrawal, you simply have to go to your menu and then you have to tap on top left corner, and then you have to access your account. Then have to simply select a request withdrawal. You'll receive a one-time password on your email and no further action is needed. It's as simple as that. Now if you're wondering why you can't do it, so there are reasons why it fails. So PrizePicks has a playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth. If you don't do that, if the lineup doesn't match, then you cannot withdraw. Other thing is, if your limit has been crossed, then can also cause, if you have inaccurate bank account information, that can also have withdrawal fail. And only one successful withdrawal is permitted during 24-hour time, so you can only do it once. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.